Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Yes. Today I'm going to be showing you how I've made this absolutely delicious coriander rice. It is so packed full of flavor. My family absolutely loves it, and I'm sure you're going to like it too. I'm also going to be showing you how I make this absolutely juicy and delicious air fryer chicken. It is so delicious. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're new here, welcome to Megshaw's Kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. To begin, I'm going to bring to a blend some very simple ingredients, which is coriander. Remember to blend this with all of the stock included. Yes, that brings so much flavor to this rice dish. I'm also going to be adding some onion. Then I'm also going to add a good amount of ginger. Some fresh ginger would do. I'm also adding some green chilies. And then I'm going to simply bring this to a blend. Now remember, as with all food and recipes available out there, remember to adjust your ingredients depending on how much quantity of rice you want to make. Now to this blend, I'm adding some cloves, also adding a handful of fennel, about half a teaspoon, and a little bit of some cumin as well. I'm going to cover this and blend it one more time to make sure all that lovely spices is nicely blended into this. I'm going to leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, and then I'll catch up with you later. Just take a look at this absolutely delicious and flavor-packed coriander rice. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you can try this out sometime soon. Thank you all so much for watching and for cooking along with me today. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're visiting us for the first time or if you've been watching without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time with another video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.